Best tools to make your Windows PC look cool. So hello there and welcome back to another video, and make sure to check the link in the description box or in the pinned comments. Now let's head over to the main video. So first of all, we're gonna talk about translucent TV. So this one is for Windows. So translucent TV is a popular utility tool primarily used in Windows operating systems to make the taskbar translucent or transparent. It allows users to customize the appearance of the taskbar, adjusting transparency levels or to suit their preferences. This tool is especially favored by those who enjoy a clean, minimalistic desktop interface or want to match their taskbar with specific desktop themes. It is a neat way to personalize the look and feel of the Windows interface. So that's it. You can download it over from here. Just go and download it if you wanna use it. Now let's move forward to the next tool. So this one is the Windows, so it can be used by everybody. It is a sophisticated tool, or you can say software. So let's wait until the page loads completely. Okay, let's search it over here again, and let's see how it turns out. Maybe the internet is a little bit slower today, that's why it is taking a lot of time. So you can also use window if you wish to. So it is a sophisticated modes which can be installed with just a couple of clicks and customized via user-friendly option. So you can also just use it and go check it out. So that was it, and if this video was helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you on to another video.